guest host. His name is Mochi. He is my grand kitten. He's staying with me for a couple of days, and he's a Chocolate Point Siamese. Say hi, Mochi. I am moving today from tray number 9 to tray 10. I think if you remembered last time, I had put in my top trays and they were really easily just popping right out of my head, and I could flick them out with my tongue. I was a little concerned because I really had never had them that loose before, but they did within, my gosh, like probably 25 minutes. They were seated 100% and I was not able to flick them out like I was when I first popped them in. So what was happening with that was that the back of my upper molars were moving outward, which is actually the last part of my treatment. So I'm really excited. I have just 5 trays left. Well, 6 really, if you count tray number 10. But tray number 9, I really didn't have any issues with it outside of that initial, oh my God, what is happening with these top trays? Why am I flicking them out with my tongue? So we'll see what tray number 10 has in store. So this is tray number, there we go, tray number 10. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. All right, so pulling them out. So I'm gonna take out tray number 9. And tray number 10, I'll go ahead and start with the bottom. So they are definitely looking straighter and straighter. There's that one funky little tooth that we are trying to get in line. I'll go ahead and put that in first. Okay, tight here, really kind of loose in the back. When I push down the front, the backs pop up. And here are the tops. So the tops, as you can see, they're just really beautiful. Really, really nice and straight. Hold on, Mochi, I'll be with you in a second. Okay, they're both significantly tight. Mochi. All right. So, trying the chewing, get out of that. Pretty good. They are pretty much the same as the other trays. The tray 10, definitely tighter on the top. I can't flick it out like I did last time. What else? I can definitely tell that these molars are starting to move out, so they're gonna take a little bit to seat, so I'm gonna have to chewy a lot and really get them where they need to be. So hopefully we'll have a good couple of weeks. If anything happens in the meantime, I will check back in, but this will probably be the last time Mochi is co-piloting because he's gonna be going to my daughter's place. So say goodbye, Mochi. Say bye, everybody. And I will see you back in 2 weeks. And I hope that you have a wonderful couple of weeks and take good care of yourselves. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. And I'll see you then. Bye.